My name is Don. I'm from Ho Chi Minh City University of Technology and Education. So I just want to confirm that I'm from the Technology University, and then I go to this workshop for the first time to hear about HURS and a lot of things. And thank you very much, delegation from Mahidol and some other Thailand University come here and share with us. Actually, from the early morning when I follow the first and the second presentation, and then I show like, and I can see like somehow your focus on your presentation, so that you focus on one of the SDG from the United Nations, and especially for SDG number 3. And some of my colleagues from other universities also mentioned one of it look like THE impact ranking, and I also have a chance to work with some other Thailand university in your core member of HURS, like Burapha University and some other. And then I also joined one of the sharing of Burapha University, and then they show us like in Thailand, normally when you do everything you do in a group, in a network. Just like for THE impact ranking, I know that you also have a network for THE impact ranking. So the number of Thai universities that join that network is quite huge, and you also have the support from the Thai government that you build up a community first. So my concern and my question when I know about HURS is like, our university, we also want to join the THE impact ranking, but we haven't. I still join different workshops to learn day by day like that, but I haven't. And when we heard about HURS, you focus on SDG number 3, the way that you collect the evidence, the way that you do the grading, somehow it looked like that. THE impact ranking, we also do like that. So it means if we prepare a set of evidence, submit to HURS, so that set of evidence also used to submit for the THE impact ranking. That is my feeling. I haven't do any of these two. So in the role of a person who is in charge of quality assurance, that my direct assignment to join this one, we'll still intend to join the THE impact ranking. And I also like this one as well. But my question is, if I have to submit so many things, I mean the same thing but two systems. So when we join the HURS like it will help us save time or cost us more for the time and effort to submit it to two systems. Do you have something similar like that so that we can share? Because finally, whether we join HURS or whether we join THE impact ranking, we want to build a very friendly, healthy, and good learning environment. I like your presentation when you share the story when we talk to some Japanese scientists that they mentioned like the way that their health ministry do nothing, but the Ministry of Education do a lot of things. Just like for our university, in some engineering program like biomedical, they are engineer. Actually, for engineer, I don't think they have a good health learning habits, because they go to bed very late, they do the programming, and then they get up later as well. But their products, the way that they focus on some of the projects, they develop some medical system, and finally serve the society. Yeah. So I want to end up my question is like whether HURS or THE impact ranking, your network like this, do you have any support from Thai government so that it can save your time and effort? And then the other things, the other question as I mentioned earlier, if we have to choose one of the things first to do, HURS or THE impact ranking, which one we should focus first? So that's my question for any of the Thai university over here to say, and then I'd love to learn some experience from you. Thank you.
Okay, may I ask for first comment? Because according to the THE impact ranking, For example, Chiang Mai University, recently 2025, I think UII Impact Rank, we earned 44th of the world, the same as Chulalongkorn University. And I have involved a bit in terms of preparation, and I know that to be evaluated by the UII Impact Ranking, I don't know whether more or less the same from the higher education. You have to create a report according to the situation. And also the SDG UIR, you have also to create a report which has been categorized in different according to the SDG 1 to 17, something like that. And when you look back at the HUF, you will see clearly that it is pretty much the same to categorize. You can relate not only the SDG number 3, but you can also relate any other SDG like number 5 about gender equality, as just mentioned by Professor Tanjuri this morning. We have in zero tolerance or partnership 17, except maybe 13 or something, life below water. It's very less involved in activity in the university. But my key is that when you prepare data for submitting any benchmarking, I also call all the things is just the benchmarking university, but different what do you call interface. Yeah. And to my knowledge, I've heard that the GHG ranking next year will be changed into rating system, not a ranking system anymore. Because ranking system is just to compete, and we don't see the benefit from competing between universities. On the other hand, rating system, we can share experience. And what I believe that the HURS under the HUF is kind of mirror to reflect yourself. Dr. Ching just mentioned that Vietnam University has done a lot of things. Physical activities, encourage students, provide health care and everything, but we don't really see the aims or the scope or the direction of that. HUF help you to scale, to direct to the direction, the right direction, and prepare all the information. You can do just one preparation and then you apply every ranking or rating, whatever they come. Green University, for example, Q&A, for example. In Thailand, we use quality assurance we call National Quality Assurance Award. Chiang Mai University also earned the TQC class or something like that. We also use the same way of work. So we have kind of office, the Q&A office, of course, we consolidate all the data related to a specific topic, but all are related. You can just, some remove from this submission and add it up a little bit for another submission. But we don't have to just pick some of them. We can apply for all. Because when you see in the system infrastructure, it's covering from the very beginnings of the buildings, of the physical activities, facility, and even the cost of the research budget, which can be also submitted in any other ranking too. So my point is that you don't need to choose any of them. You can go for all of them. Thank you.
Thank you.